Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Visio. In this module, I want to have a look at how you can create hyperlinks within Visio. Hyperlinks to different pages, hyperlinks to different files, hyperlinks to an email, and hyperlinks to a shape. So first of all, on the screen, I have a company organizational chart which has already got some hyperlinks on it, and then I'll redo them so you can see how it works. So for example, this one here, you can see as I move my mouse across that shape, you can see the hyperlink symbol. If I hold my control key down, that will change to a hand, and when I click that, it goes to the sheet that says retail. And if I go back to the main site, the next one, hold the control key down, there's not one on there, but this one, this will go to a shape. So it's gone to that shape there, which I've named. And not the actual sheet itself. And then the other one that's in here is a hyperlink to an email address. So if I click this, it will open up Outlook and address it to whoever I want it to address to. Don't want to do that. And then this one has got a hyperlink to a file. Not that one. Let's just grab that there. So if I was so this is now going to open the file. That's coming up with a warning for me, tell me that if I open this, is it safe? So I'm not going to open that one just yet, but I will in a second. So if I just close that down and then go through the process. So what I've got is a synchronized copy of all of these departments on separate sheets. So they're all duplicating basically what is on the front screen. Now, I haven't got one going to training or marketing, so I'll just do those two. So starting on wherever you want the hyperlink, so I'm going to that shape, and then you go to the insert tab and link, and then you need to, so the top option is where you would go if you wanted to go to an external site or an internal file. The second option, if you go browse, is I want to go to the page called training, and no particular shape, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Click OK, OK, and then if I move my mouse over it, hold the control key down, it changes to the hand, and then that goes onto the training sheet with no particular shape selected or displayed, not selected. Now if I want a particular shape, what I can do is name the shape. So I'm going to go into the marketing area. I'm just going to move this shape way off the screen. So it's down there, but I want to name this shape. Now to name a shape, you need to have the developer tab activated. If you don't know where that is, it's under File Options down the bottom there, and you go to Customize Ribbon and you tick Developer, then that will be on. Because on there you can name a shape. So when I click on that, at the moment it's not called anything, so I'm just going to call it Sax, which is my nickname. Click OK to that, then go back and create a hyperlink from this shape to that. So back to insert and link. So this time it's still going to be browse. This time it's going to be marketing. It's on that page, but a shape is called Sax. And then click OK, and you can see it's got the page and then a little forward slash and then the name. Click OK to that. Move my mouse over there, get the hyperlink symbol, click, and it shows me that shape. So it didn't go just to the page and show me everything else on the page, it just went to that shape that I. Now if I want to create an email address like I've got in this one, what I need to do is just first of all create a under ellipse. I won't bother putting any text in it, so there's my ellipse, and then you go back to the insert tab, link, and then you type the address mail to, and that's critical mail to, and then you put your email address in there, and then that should start up wherever your email package is. In my case it is Outlook. So if I hold the control key down, back onto the pointer tool, because it was still wanting to draw another ellipse. So once the pointer tool's back on, you can hover over there, you get your link, hold your control key down, you get the hand symbol, and then it opens up Outlook ready to send. So that's how you send an email. Mail to is a key thing there. I don't want to do that. And then the last example is the open a file example. So I'm just going to pick some random shape to do that. So I'll click this one and then go back to insert link. So this is a file or a web site, so I'll just browse for either an internet address or a local file. In fact, let's go for an internet address, and let's put my website on there. That will do. Just copy that and then come back into Visio, paste that in there, and I don't need a sub address. You can type a description if you want. Click OK to that, and then Control key down, click, and it should open that page, and it does. It opens my web page. So that's basically how you can create hyperlinks in Visio. Now, to delete any of these hyperlinks, you just need to go back into the link option and then just physically delete it. As simple as that, and then that will remove the hyperlink. And you can also do that to edit the hyperlinks. But that's all I want to talk about in this little session. So hopefully that was of use to you, and thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.